This home security camera is ideal to monitor your home using motion detector and instantly send video notifications to your phone. You would be able to trigger a loud alarm and a bright flashlight, which can deter intruders. This home security camera is built to function in rain, sun, and extreme cold weather, and the video quality is very clear. It has built-in night vision and has a two-way talk feature which will allow you to talk to anyone facing the camera while you are anywhere in the world. Hello?
Hello.
Hi.
Hi.
You can buy as many cameras as needed to monitor the exterior of your home as well as the interior. This is the Dzees CG6 mini home camera, and I will be unboxing and setting up this today. This is the camera. This camera is very heavy, which indicates good quality. At the back is a speaker output and threads to install the bracket. The bracket can also be installed at the bottom. Where the bracket will be installed will be determined by where the camera is installed. You will understand when I'm installing the camera later. Here is a waterproof cover protecting the power button, memory card port, reset button, and the USB Type-C port. This is the bracket the camera will be attached. Here are screws and tabs to install the bracket. There is also a pin here to press the reset button if needed. This is the Type-C charging cable. And this is the user manual. I will now put this camera to charge, and it should take over 6 hours for the first charge. Let's start the setup process. First, ensure that you are connected to your home Wi-Fi. Use your smartphone to scan this barcode to install the Dzees app, which will be used to control the camera. I will select this link to access the app and install it from the App Store. You can also search for the app in the App Store. The app is now installed and I will agree to the terms. Now let's get started. I will now need to create a user account using my email address. I'm now logged in, so I can now add this camera. Remember that you can add all the cameras you have. I need to give the app permission for Bluetooth. Now I need to press and hold the power button on the camera until I hear a beep. I'm hearing the beep, so I will now acknowledge and select next. I will now give the camera access to send notifications. The app has found the camera here. I'll give the app permission to use location services. Now I need to enter my Wi-Fi password to connect the camera to the Wi-Fi service. Note that the camera can only work on 2.4 GHz network. So if you only have 5G, this camera won't work. Now I will join the Wi-Fi network. The connection was successful. I'll now select where I want to install the camera. For me, it's the back door. I'll now select the type of camera, which is the battery type. You can see that the camera is working, and now I can see live view from the camera. It's crystal clear and working great. Now I'll install the memory card, and this camera can handle up to 128 gigabytes. The memory card is installed and I need to format it.
Use the app to format your SD card first.
It's now formatted and ready to be used. Let's now go install the camera on the exterior of the house. I could install the camera here or at the front door, so I would be able to use the two-way communication, but I will be install the camera all the way up here. I could also install it at the garage here. It's recommended to install at the front of the house if you sometimes like to have conversations with your guests. I'll be installing the bracket here. I'll use this drill to drive the screws in the wall. All screws are in, so I can now install the camera. I will have the camera facing the driveway, but installing the bracket at the bottom is not ideal for this location. I will have to install the bracket to the back of the camera. Now that's a perfect view. This is a live view of the camera, and you can play around with the setting to your liking. That's it for this video. Thanks for watching. A link for this camera is in the description below along with a discount code. Before you go, do something for me. Like this video if you found it informative and subscribe to my channel if you have not yet done so. See you on the next one, guys.